Alright guys, so today we got an ice machine. The water pump was making a really loud noise. The bearings are shot, over-amping. It's on a warranty, so we got the pump for the water pump for this Scotsman ice machine. We're going to replace that. Going to extend the water line as well, so I can have some more room to pull it out and still have the water line connected to it. Right now you have to disconnect it and then pull it out to be able to work on it, and you'll see when I show you in there. And then this is a first for me, but they sent another tag for the serial number, because Scotsman didn't believe that the existing serial number was on it till we sent them a photo of it. And then they're like, yeah, that serial number is invalid, so put a new serial number on it. You can see right here, YA190318. So they want me to cover that. See, that serial number is way different. So it's interesting. Never had a manufacturer request that. So we'll put this new data tag on there, replace the pump, and replace the water supply line. So let me go in there and show you what I'm talking about. So here's a little ice machine. Here's the supply line back here. Not a lot of room. I'll pull it out a little bit, just enough to disconnect it. I just turned it off. So let's go ahead and disconnect this here's my water valve. Alright, gotta flip it out just a little bit. Let's go ahead and disconnect this water inlet. There we go. There we go. Probably gave a little bit too much copper, but that'll be fine. Got a zip tie right there. Kind of keep it stable. Just got it connected to the ice machine right there. Another little compression fitting. But I want to place the pump first, since I got it out, got room. I'm gonna do that first. And yes, power is off. It's unplugged. And just get this little guy out. Oh, come on. Get the ground out. Well, that's not good. See how that's just free spinning right there? I haven't done many of these, but I gotta figure out a way to get that out. So let me see what I can come up with. Alright, here's a little plate. Had to take that off so I could get inside. That's just the tubing to distribute the water shooting up. If you take a look in here, towards the top down here, you can kind of see where the bolt is coming up. So I gotta try to finagle it out. Got it out. A little bit of a pain, but Just gotta squeeze this guy out of here. And here's my new one. All the same specs. This was all under warranty, so try to fix this ground wire too. Alright, so ground wire is nice and tight. Make sure my hot and neutral are nice and tight. So far it's all looking good. So now I'm going to go ahead and connect the water line. There we go. Water line's connected. Everything's looking good. I'm going to take an amp draw. And it should be a lot more quiet than the previous motor was. So let's go ahead and turn this guy on. So it's rated for 1.1, so that's looking good. Make sure my fittings aren't leaking. Yeah. I'll double check it in a few, let it run for a bit. But I'm not seeing anything right now. Just out of curiosity, I just want to see how hot it is. The other one was 170, so obviously this is probably going to pick up here in a bit. But just out of curiosity, I just want to see the difference. It's not too bad. Alright. Go ahead and put this new data sheet on there. I never had to do this before. Let me know if y'all guys ever had this before. Everything's looking good. Still no water leaks. Everything's nice and snug. The noise went away. Make sure I see some ice come out. Alright guys, so we'll watch it make another batch of ice real quick, but I think we're gonna be good. You can tell the noise level definitely went down. It's not overamping. Of course the other one was really hot. It's been running and running. This one I've only gotten like 30 minutes of it before I tested the amp draw. But I think we're gonna be good. Here's that little kink that was on there. May not have caused it, but I'm sure it contributed to it somewhat. So got the new water supply line, new pump, new data tag. So we're gonna call this one good, guys. So I appreciate y'all guys watching. I will see y'all on the next one.